Students, good morning. Let us start today's class on the vectors. We are solving the vector scalar product, scalar triple product. Okay, we are going to simplify today, and we are going to finish scalar triple product. Then we are going to start vector triple product. This is the question related to the coplanar vectors, and this question is asked JEE in 2019. Let us solve this question. What was the question here? A is the vector given, B vector given, C vector given. These are coplanar, I said. What is the rule for coplanar? Coplanar means that the determinant value is 0. So what do you get here? 1, 2, 4. I can take the components are 1, 2, 4. Here is 1 lambda 4. 1 lambda 4. I take here 2, 4 lambda square minus 1. 2, 4 lambda square minus 1. You just simplify this. From this you will get the lambda value. What was the question? A vector is this, that is I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. B vector is I cap plus lambda times j cap plus 4k cap. C vector is 2i cap plus 4j cap plus lambda square minus 1 into k cap. B coplanar. Then the non-zero vector A cross C is how much? Is asking about A cross C. A cross C. If I want to find A cross C, I have to find lambda. If I get the lambda, then the work is done. That's it. So I have to find lambda. For this one, you can do directly. You can open the determinant, you get the lambda value. Otherwise, the easiest way is just seeing this one, make it 0, this above one. Okay. Just make it 0, this one, either R1 or R2, you can make it 0. So you can make it R1 implies R1 minus R2. If I apply this one, what I am going to get here? If I apply this one, what I am going to get on the top? I am going to get here, this is 0, 0. This is I get 2 minus lambda, and this I am going to get 0. Okay, and here I am getting 1, and here lambda 4, 2, 4 lambda square minus 1. What I have done here, R1 operation I applied, R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2. So R2, R3 will be same, just R1 is going to change after the operation. Means from R1, R2 is subtracted. Okay, then this value is how much here? 0. Now you can open the determinant. As you know that this is opens with minus of 2 minus lambda times into this is 0, this is 0, no use. So this is closed. So 1 into lambda square minus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. It means I am getting here, if I multiply with minus, lambda minus 2 into lambda square minus 9 is equal to 0. It means I got finally lambda is equal to 2 and lambda square is equal to 9. So I got these two. Okay, now I have to apply any one of this will be give this answer. Okay, that is what I have to do it. So what I can do here, I can take A cross C. Just look at here, is saying that B coplanar, then the non-zero vector. A cross C should be a non-zero vector. So A cross C, how you will find here? I cap, J cap, K cap, and what you are going to take here? A 1 to 4. A is the values are 1 to 4, and C is here 2, 4 lambda square minus 1. See here, lambda is what? Either you can go for 2, either you can go for lambda square is 9. You can substitute 9 minus 1 is 8, or 2 you can substitute. But check this one, if it is 9, is this works or not? If I take here 9 minus 1 is 8. So what I am going to get? C. I will do two things, you will understand here. If I take I, J, K, if I take here 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, if I take 9, what I am going to get here? 9 minus 1, 8. So if I find this vector, 8, see here, 8 to the 16 minus 4 for the 16 I will get. Okay, minus J cap. Is it clear? Is clear? I'll explain here. Okay, now you got this one. You have to find the lambda value. Okay, you have to find the lambda value, and you have to find A cross C. You have to find A cross C. So you got lambda, but you need to check which lambda is perfect, means which lambda is satisfying that. If I take I, J, K, this is A, I need to find A cross C, that's it. So this I want to find, just I substitute here 1, 2, 4, lambda square 9 I substitute. What I am going to get? 9 minus 1, 8. So if I substitute 9, if I take lambda is equal to 9, lambda square is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. What I am going to get here? I cap is, I get as 2 4s are 8 2s are 16 minus 16, I get as minus j cap, 1 2s are 8 minus 8 plus k cap. I am going to get here 1 4s are 4 minus 4. I am going to get, this is a 0 vector. Is set as a non-zero vector, means lambda square is equal to 9 is wrong. What I have to take? Lambda is equal to 2 I have to take. If I substitute 2 here, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So A cross C I am going to get is I, J, K. I am going to get here 1, 2, 4, and I am going to get here 2, 4, and the next one is 3. I am going to get this. And just to simplify this, you will get this answer, because I have done these problems many times. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 4 4s are 16, 6 minus 16 is minus 10. See that minus 10 where is getting? Here and here. It means these two are cancelled out. So that's over. Minus j cap, I can take here. So 1 3 is a 3, 3 minus 4 2 is a 8. Okay, so I am going to get plus 5j. This is the D is the right answer, because here minus 5 plus, so that I am going to get D is the right answer. Hope you understand. You can go for K also, but I need to find here. I am just checking out. You can completely check here. You get the answer 0 for K. So the answer is D. This is the way to deal the question. Let us go for the next concept. This is another question asked in JEE. Let us discuss this question asked in JEE. Okay, this question is like this. Box of A cross B, B cross C, C cross A is equal to lambda times of box A, B, C square. So what is the value of lambda? This is the question. Okay, how to deal this question? Box meaning is what here? Before that, to discuss this one, I feel not to approach in that way. Just take, this is the logic of this question. Let us take A vector is I cap, B vector is J cap, and C vector is K cap. Approach like this, then the work will be done. That's what. So what I can use here, A vector is I, B vector is J, C vector is K. That's what. So what I get here, you know that A cross B will be what? A cross B will be. I cross J will be what? I, J, K. Already I explained. I cross J will be K. Okay. Then here A cross B or B cross C will be what? B cross C will be what? That is, I am going to get here B cross C, J dot J K is I. Okay. And then C cross A is what? C cross A is what? C A. This is, I am going to get J. I explained in the basic lectures many times about the cross. So this can be written as A cross B dot, I can write as B cross C plus, here what we can write here, B cross C cross B cross C cross C cross A. Write that like this, we will write right here, right? This is what we can write, box ABC. A vector dot B cross C. Here A vector dot B cross C is nothing but box ABC. So you can write as A cross B cross that one. A cross B value is what? K cap. Okay. B cross C is what is I cap. C cross A is what is J cap. And K cap into I cross J will be K cap. K dot K will be 1. So LHS part I got 1. LHS part I got 1. Let us go for RHS part. So RHS part, what we can write here? I just simply write here A B C whole square. That is A B C box whole square. That I can write as A dot B cross C whole square. Correct? That is, what is A here? I cap dot B is what here? J cap cross K cap. And in this, I know that I cap dot J cap cross K cap will be how much? I cap. And you know that I cap dot I cap is 1 square. 1 square value is 1. So I get here, this I am getting RHS side, LHS side, 1 is equal to lambda times 1 square is 1. So lambda is equal to 1. Answer B is the right. Hope you understand. Let us go for the next question. Question as asked in JEE 2014. This is JEE 2014. Okay, let us go for next concept. See here, this is the important results. Based on this, we are going to solve some questions now. What are the result here? A vector is equal to A1 L. A vector is expressed A1 L vector plus A2 M vector plus A3 N vector. B vector is expressed B1 L vector, B2 M vector, B3 N vector. C vector is expressed C1 L vector plus C2 M vector plus C3 N vector. Then box ABC will be equals to, the box of ABC will be equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 into box LMN vectors, where L, M, N are non-coplanar vectors. This is the point you have to know. This is very important result. Reason is this is a vector and these are A1, A2 are there, they are A3 are there. This result will be same. Why? If I take L is any vector like X I cap plus Y J cap plus Z K cap, like this. X1, Y1, Z1, like here. X1 M also, X2, Y2, Z2. N also X3, Y3, Z3. Then if I do determinant of both product and if I keep L here, multiply this one and do the box, that result and this result will be same. See here, the main thing is you need to understand this one, you need to write in this way. Just keep this is in the brain. Whenever is expressed a vector is component again a vector, then box of ABC will be component of that vectors determines and box LMN. That is what you have to know. So this is a way to deal these problems. So this problem can be done. Okay, let us see some examples on this, then you will understand more. Students, let us see the problem based on this. A vector, B vector, C vector are three non-coplanar vectors. Then he is saying that A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot A vector plus B vector cross A vector plus C vector is how much? It can be solved in general, like you can do cross here, then each one you can do, you will get the answer. Definitely I explained this method. You do here. I hope the same question I explained, but I am going to explain you now using the previous property. Same question I explained. You can do cross of this, like A cross A plus A cross C plus B cross A plus B cross C. Then you can do the dot product with A, dot product with B, dot product with C, then you get box, and this will be lengthy, right? This will be lengthy. This type you can do. But now the previous which I said, with that help, it can be done very easy. How? Let us see here. Let us consider this is one vector, P is equal to, let us consider this is P, something here. P is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector, and Q is equal to, I can write as A vector plus B vector. C is equal to R. Let us take R vector is equal to A vector plus C vector. It means this is, I supposed, P vector dot, and I supposed inside one Q vector cross, and I supposed inside one R vector. It means this is what here? Box PQR. That's what you have, right? Box PQR, how to find here? We take the element, this one, coefficients of this. So what I can take here? 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Here is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. But it is depends on the vector A, B, C. So you have to multiply box A, B, C. As the previous theorem I said, because this was one time of A vector. This was expressed in the vectors. This is expressed in the vector. A vector is expressed in the vector. A vector is expressed in the vector with the components 1, 1, 1. So at that time I told you previously you have to use this one. So determinant of this into vectors box. So that will give the result of this one. So you find the determinant of this. How you get here? The determinant of this is 1 into 1 ones are 1, 1 minus 0 minus 1 into close this one and this one, 1 ones are 1 and 0. This is I am getting 1 and plus 1 into I can take 1 zeros are 0 minus 1 into this total I am getting and into box A B C I am getting this. So you can see here this is 1 and this is minus 1, this is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So you got the minus 1. So the answer is minus of box A, B, C. The same question I explained you. You can see previous lectures. In that I explained the same question by lengthy way and you got the answer D, and this is a JEE question. And now I made you shortcut by applying this one. Let us see one more beauty question on this based. Let us discuss some more important results, and these are important results. After this we have two sums, then we will start the vector triple product and JEE 2020 questions. Okay, see here determinant of mod of A cross B whole square. This formula I gave you, remember, A cross B whole square I gave you, mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 times of A dot B I gave, remember. So this is the formula I gave, correct? So simply you can see determinant, you find this one and this value is same. Look at there, this one is nothing but as A dot A is mod A square, and here A dot B and here B dot A, and this is mod B square. So you can see that this is getting like this. So this is can be written as what here? This is can be how it is wrote like that. That's simple. See here, this was in this format. So what I can write here, A square A dot B. Okay. See here, this value will be equal to actually Lagrange's mean value identity I explained you, Lagrange's identity, that is equal to mod A square mod B square minus of A dot B whole square I explained. It means this value will be what here, mod A dot A, this is nothing but A dot A, and this is nothing but B dot B, okay, minus of A dot B whole square. See this you can do here. Now you can see that if I do determinant of this one, this is nothing but A dot A. Just look at here, this one and this one is both are same or not. A dot A into B dot B minus A dot B into B dot A, that is A dot B whole square, because A dot B, B dot A both are equal, commutative, so whole square. So by Lagrange's identity we can write as A vector cross B vector whole square can be written as A dot A dot B, B dot A, B dot B. Like this can be expressed as modulus of A dot B whole square. Same wise, box ABC whole square can be written as A dot A dot B, A dot C, B dot A, B. See, just remember like this, A with dot A with B, A with C, B with A, B with B, B with C, C with A, C is with B, C is C. Same here also, A with A with B, B with A, B with B. So that's the reason you just remember this, this result, mod A cross B whole square is this, box AB square is this. If you remember this, we can solve some problems based on that. Let us go for the problems. About the previous result, this is the question asked in 2008 JEE mains 2008 question. What is the question here? The edges of a parallelopipe, are unit length. The edges of a parallelopipe have 3 edges, are the unit length and are parallel to non-coplanar vectors ABC such that A cap dot B cap is equal to B cap dot C cap is equal to C cap dot A cap is half, then the volume of parallelopipe is dash. Now this the question is volume of parallelepiped as he did not given the edges of the parallelepiped. Parallelepiped edges are not given and is asking to find the volume of parallelepiped. So this time this rule will be used. ABC whole square, box ABC whole square is equal to what here? A dot A cap A, like A dot A, like you have A cap A. Next what you have? A dot B, right? A dot B. Next B A dot C, A dot C. You just need to apply this one. Cap it is there, so use the cap here. Use the cap. And next what you have here? Next B cap A, B cap B, B cap C. Next here C cap A, C cap B, C cap C is the formula you know just before I explain. So here A cap A is mod A square, that is the unit vector value is 1. Okay, it is the given is the unit vector. Mod A mod, these are the unit vectors. So A cap A dot A cap A is that is mod A, mod unit vector. Cap means what? Unit vector. So that value is 1. They given like this. Okay, A dot B, they given half. See here, A dot B given half. Okay, A dot C or C dot A, both are equal. A dot C, C dot A equal. This value is a half. And B dot A is half. Okay, here B dot B will be 1. B dot C, that value will be half. C dot A, that value will be half. C dot B, that value will be half. C dot C, that value is half. And this is the box of ABC whole square. You are going to get the answer. Of volume, if you want to find, you have to find the square root of this. So volume is always positive, remember that one. Just you have to find the determinant of this. Everyone can find this determinant. However you want, you can find. Directly you open the determinant, or you can open how here? You can open directly with this one. Okay, so 1 into 1 ones are 1 minus this one, you can open like this, or you can use the property like here R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3, then you can see that I get 2, 2, 2 on the top. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3, I get 2, 2, 2, and I get these are same, and you can subtract. Otherwise you do one thing, directly you can open the determinant here. 1 into 1 ones are 1 minus 1 by 4, okay, minus 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into this is close, half minus 1 by 4 and plus half into, and you can find this one half 1 by 4 minus half. So I am going to get the answer will be volume of this will be, I am going to get how much here? This I am going to get how much? 1 by 2 I will get. Completely I am getting I will get 1 by 2. So the answer is see here, let us see. 1 minus 1 by 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay, this is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into this is 4 is the LCM. So you get as 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, plus half into this is can be written as 4 is the LCM. So 1 minus, you can see this is 1 minus 2 I get. It means what I am getting here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus and plus into minus this I am going to get here minus 1 right here minus already you got 1 by 8. So this you can simplify, you can get 8 is the LCM here down. So you are going to get here 4 and 8 LCM is 8. Okay, so 2 to the 6 minus 1 that is 6 minus 2 that is 4 by 8. 2 2s are 2 3s are that is 2 by 3. So the answer will be square root of 2 by 3 is the answer. Hope you understand. Let us see here. Here you can see here this one 4 ones are 4 2s are gets cancelled. I got 1 by 2. So box ABC square I got 1 by 2. So the answer of box ABC will be square root of 1 by 2. Plus or minus you should not take because it is modulus, volume is modulus. So the answer is 1 by root 2 cubic units. This was the answer. Option I did not wrote. So finally the answer is 1 by root 2 cubic units. This is the volume of parallelepiped. So this is the way to deal this problem. Hope you understand. Let us see next question.